Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, JasmyCoin, currently rank 121 on CoinMarketCap. Is this the end of the relief rally for JasmyCoin? JasmyCoin is down 11.2% in the last 1 week. Even though JasmyCoin is still up 28.9% on a monthly time frame, is this the best time for us to be taking some profits off the table? We have seen JasmyCoin hit resistance at the $0.0084 level. In this video, we're taking a look at the JasmyCoin US dollar price chart on a 3-day time frame, where we're going to find support if we continue dumping to gobbling town. If the relief rally is over for JasmyCoin, we can blast above the $0.0084 level. How high can JasmyCoin continue pumping if we have one final pump to the upside? We'll also be looking at JasmyCoin performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum, and then we'll take a look at JasmyCoin's market cap, which is currently around $285 million. Are we going to come back to test the $198 million region, or are we going to be pumping towards that $500 million mark we talked about in the previous video? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. To all my returning subscribers, thank you for always watching my videos. I appreciate you guys. If you're new to this channel and you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
JasmyCoin, with a market cap of $287 million, has a fully diluted market cap of $308 million. We have a maximum supply of 50 billion tokens, and more than 46.5 billion of those tokens are in circulation. JasmyCoin is ranked 121 on CoinMarketCap, with over 110,000 people having JasmyCoin on their watch list. And in the last 1 month, we've seen JasmyCoin go from as low as $0.0045 to as high as $0.0083. This is the JasmyCoin US dollar price chart on a 3-day time frame. We have seen JasmyCoin hit resistance at the $0.0084 level. Are we going to start dumping to gobbling town anytime soon? If you take a look at the altcoin market, we're seeing pullbacks across the board. All coins that were pumping into higher prices starting 2023 on a very bright note are having a little pullback. JasmyCoin is down 11.1% on a weekly time frame. If we go on a yearly time frame, we're still deep in the crypto bear market. We're still deep in gobbling town, and JasmyCoin is down 76.2%. If JasmyCoin cannot blast above this $0.0084 level, guys, we might just see JasmyCoin coming back to test the $0.0045 region. Hopefully that level holds for JasmyCoin. Hopefully we find support there and continue pumping to higher prices. But if that's not possible, we might see JasmyCoin either coming to test the lows at the $0.0027 region, or probably even setting new all-time lows. There's that possibility. JasmyCoin is going through its first crypto bear market. We have seen JasmyCoin pump when the market is pumping aggressively, but the downside to it pumping that well is that when it starts dumping, it dumps really well. In the bull market, we saw JasmyCoin from the 30th of June of 2021 rally up by more than 4,000%. In 123 days, JasmyCoin returned a 4,000% increase in investment from 30th of June 2021 to the 31st of October 2021. A $1,000 investment in JasmyCoin would have returned more than $40,000. And it's very critical to note that JasmyCoin has strong support at that $0.0084 level. Right now, that support is turning as resistance. At our first attempt, we've gotten rejected at that level. So maybe we'll blast through it at our second attempt, or probably we'll have to wait for the third time we try to blast through the $0.0085 level, because we cannot get through this level, we might not get to the next level we're looking at, and that might be if JasmyCoin is unable to blast above the $0.0086 level. Guys, this might just mean this is the end of the relief rally. But if we can walk away above this level, there's still a possibility that we might see JasmyCoin in this bear market rally even getting to as high as that $0.015 level. But for us to get that high from where we're currently trading right now, we have to see JasmyCoin rally up another 150%. While that is very possible, taking some profit off the table right now will be a no-brainer. With all coins, you want to give the profit you have made back to the market, and if you're one of those lucky investors that bought some JasmyCoin as we're down in gobbling town, you should be up more than 115%. Even though Jasmy Coin continue pumping to higher prices, if you take some profit, you will have some capital to buy if we eventually dump to Goblin Town. Remember guys, as you're investing right now deep in the crypto bear market, you don't want to go all in, you don't want to get carried away by any pumps or dumps you're seeing on the daily time frame and also on a weekly time frame. For smart investors, the bear market is a period of accumulating, getting ready for the next bull run. And I believe with JasmyCoin, we've gone through the hardest part of the bear market, and that's when we saw JasmyCoin going from around $0.32 level, dumping to Goblin Town, losing 99% of its value. Even though it's possible for JasmyCoin to lose another 90% of its value, I believe we are closer to the bottom than we are to the top. So even if we see JasmyCoin setting new all-time lows in this bear market, smart investors will be investing, getting ready for the next bull run for when we see JasmyCoin probably heading towards $1 or going higher than that. Guys, all coins are very profitable if you can accumulate them deep in the crypto bear market. But remember, you want to dollar cost average through that process. You don't want to go all in, because if you go all in, you won't have any capital to buy if we see those lower prices. If you want to buy some JasmyCoin for yourself, or you want to sell some right now, taking some profit, you can do that on Binance, on Qcoin, on Coinbase Exchange, on BitTop, on Bitfinex, on Uniswap, and guys, anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can buy or sell JasmyCoin right there. Now, if you take a look at JasmyCoin's performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum, JasmyCoin has been dumping to Goblin Town ever since the end of the bull run. JasmyCoin is currently down bad against Bitcoin, but that's what you expect with all coins in the bear market. And JasmyCoin, that is going through its first crypto bear market, has seen more than 97% decline in price against Bitcoin. We might continue seeing it drop to new lows against Bitcoin in this bear market. Guys, a lot of market participants have seen their altcoins dumping to Goblin Town. And right now, even though we're having a relief rally, there's still a lot of fear in the cryptocurrency market. So you still seeing people flipping their JasmyCoin for some Bitcoin. Also, you see them flipping their JasmyCoin for some Ethereum. Another reason why JasmyCoin might continue losing value against Bitcoin and Ethereum deep in the bear market is that when the market pumps, yes, JasmyCoin is pumping harder than Bitcoin. Yes, JasmyCoin is pumping harder than Ethereum. But when the market also dumps, it dumps harder than two of them. Yes, it might be pumping harder than Bitcoin. Yes, JasmyCoin might be pumping harder than Ethereum. But guys, when the market dumps, we also see JasmyCoin dumping harder than them. So be careful. If you take a look at JasmyCoin's market cap, we saw this mad increase in JasmyCoin's market cap from $18 million to as high as almost $200 million. And I told you guys the reason for that was that we saw more JasmyCoin coming into circulation, which is a good news and a bad news at the same time. Right now, we have more than 46 billion JasmyCoin tokens in circulation. But guys, at least we know that we only have 7% of JasmyCoins that can come into circulation. We have seen the market cap still rally from that $127 million region to as high as even $400 million. But we're facing rejection there. That's a very critical level for JasmyCoin. We saw JasmyCoin get rejected at that level on 19th of January 2022. Guys, we might see JasmyCoin coming to set new lows in this bear market. Maybe not on its market cap chart, but maybe just maybe on its price chart. Because if we see JasmyCoin dropping another 80%, that will carry the market cap value back to $55 million. But what will happen to the price of JasmyCoin? That will mean we might be setting new all-time lows in this bear market. That's why it's important when you're investing on accumulating right now in the bear market not to go all in, because assuming we see those lower prices and you're gone all in, you won't have any capital on the side. And for the singular fact that this altcoin is dumping to Goblin Town, singular fact that you're buying it doesn't mean to stop dumping. It might continue dumping to Goblin Town. If you're a long-term investor, you'll be accumulating, getting ready for the next bull run. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Do you think this is the end of the bear market rally for JasmyCoin? Right now, it's down 16% in the last 1 week. How low do you think we'll get before the end of the bear market? Do you think we're going to find support before we get to the previous all-time low around the $0.0027 level? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Remember guys, invest for the long haul. Don't get too greedy. Don't get too scared. See you guys in my next video.